but he has a real estate company in his name, right? So you should become an entrepreneur, right? That is what important. And becoming an entrepreneur is not so easy, right? You need to be very conscious. For example, if you ask maybe you are not used Nokia phones, keypad phones, did you use? Right? So, but the thing is, now in the market, there are many companies which is overtaken the Nokia phone, right? Previously, if you check, Nokia was the only mobile phones many people were using. For example, 1100, if you have seen this series of mobiles, when the mobile is introduced, Nokia was ruling the world, right? Now, if you say, in anywhere in this classroom, you have a Nokia phones in their pocket now? No. Why? What may be the reason? If you check in the entire world, previously, Nokia was ruling like anything, right? So why you are not having Nokia phone? Either you will have Samsung or OnePlus or Oppo, like Apple, right? That kind of mobile in your pocket, but you don't have Nokia. What may be the reason? But Nokia is number one manufacturer if you check 2 decades ago, right? What may be the reason? Why they are not in the market? Update. That is I told, right? Continuous innovations were not there, right? Because they refuse to take Android into their mobile phones. When Google has developed the Androids, right, the software, the application, the operating system, Android, they refuse to accommodate Android in their mobile phone. That was their drawback, right? Even Apple, they did not have Android. They have their own OS, right? But they attract the customer in their design thinking. But Nokia did not have continuous innovations, right? They didn't adopt the Android, or they have not tried to become more innovative, and they have not tackled the design thinking process. So in this, we will learn what is design thinking, right? Mainly they failed in design thinking, so the continuous innovation was not there. So now they are not in the market at all, Nokia, right? Similarly, you can check, right? Kodak, I think you have seen Kodak, what they were making previously. Kodak, did you heard the word Kodak? Kodak. What they were making? Cameras. If you ask your parents, right, only cameras were there previously, the Kodak cameras. They were the number one world in the world, they were manufacturing the cameras. Even today now we cannot find the Kodak cameras. They have overtaken by Canon, right, and other different companies. Why? Again, the innovation was lacking. And if you see your parents, they were using Yahoo mails, right? Anyone has Yahoo email ID in this classroom? All have Google, right? Gmails. Why we are not using Yahoo? Why? Because again, they are not updated, right? Actually, Google, when they started, the Google itself, they asked, okay, Yahoo to take over. Means Yahoo wants to purchase some Google, but they refused. We don't need you. Okay, they refused to purchase Google. Now Google has beaten Yahoo and they have become the supreme, right? And even like that, you can find n number of examples. And before Facebook, I think you have not used Orkut. Did you heard the word Orkut? Actually, we used during our colleges. Orkut, similar kind of Facebook. Okay, it was the first social media platform for us, Orkut. But it does not sustain the market. But see, Facebook is sustaining in the market. And what they did, they cleverly, even they purchased the WhatsApp also. You know, WhatsApp is developed by someone. But now the Facebook is owning the WhatsApp. Why? Because we need to find even the competitors, and we can see that they may beat us and they can fetch the market like anything. So they have simply purchased the WhatsApp. That is also one talent, right? So in order to become sustained in the market, we should be having continuous innovation. And the next thing is timing. When to introduce in the market, that is also very, very important. For example, the Google Lens glasses, now we are not using, right? It may be very forward, right? So whenever you want to release the product, timing is also very important. When you will